Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick tutorial on programming your own scenes or just moving the lights individually. Now, you probably have to do a little bit of YouTubing about this, but I can do a quick one. Now, each light is basically got a, they call them channels, and each channel controls something different about the light. So with our little round lights right at the top there, I think these are, say, a 6-channel light or a 5-channel light. Now channel 1, they don't move, they're just colors. So channel 1 is intensity, so how bright the overall light is. Channel 2 might be red, 3 green, 4 blue, and then they might have a strobe function. So why don't we actually try that? So to do that, try moving those rear left, rear right. So we got, these are all labeled. So we got rear movers, they're the big ones. The bar lights, so that's the lights on the bar across stage, that middle bar there. Then we've got the mini movers, roof stage. I believe this is it. So if I select that light, and if now I'm just bringing everything down. Now they're even off. So intensity is number 1 with that light. So normally you just have a play. So intensity number 1, still did nothing because I don't have a color selected. Now if I bring up a red, see red, I'll just go up and down with a red. You can see it come on, come off, come on. And now I can even start blending colors. So if I make a little funny, so I've got red, green, blue, up, and now I've made a white. And then I do have, I'm sure there's a strobe function. Oh, there it is. So the channel 1 is a strobe function in this one. So strobe, full on, strobe, full on, and then their intensities are just on their own slider. So you can just play around, moving them up and down so you find a color that you like. And then once you've got that, you can save that that scene, but I probably wouldn't save one, and then I might unselect number 8 and go number 9, the other side of stage, and I might want to do the same thing with that one. So I just, I'll just move them in position until I get something that's close, something like that, that's close. And then I can actually save that. So then if I unselect that one, if I go to the next light and keep that selected, then it's going to change both. So unselect that one. Now let's go to my mover here. Which mover is it? Oh, it's the one up here. You can see how it's moving as I move the sliders. So in this case, number 1 is the direction. Number 2 is a pan. Number 2 is the tilt. See how it's tilting back and forth? And number 1 is rotating. Tilt back and forth, rotate. And then you've got intensity is the next one. Then color is the next one. So I can change the color intensity just by moving these up and down once it's selected. So then I can go through and change a whole scene, how I want the stage and everything to look, and then I can save the scene up on these top ones, or on another bank I can change. That's basically how you can change all the lighting, one light at a time. We have 4 different fixtures. We have our round cans at the back of the stage and on the light bar, and even just here. We have our big movers. We have a mini mover, and we have the octagonal cans at the front. So that is that 5 different types of fixtures, and all those 5 have a different channel, like different channel number, and all the channels do different things. So it's a bit difficult working out what they do, but once you get the hang of it and have a play with it, you can work it out. These big movers here are very difficult. They're about 22 channels. They've got a lot of different things going on with them to get them right. But yeah, with a little bit of play, you can work it out. I hope you have a good time.